Picture this. You have a group of friends that you've been close with for a while. You've shared many experiences together, whether it be drinking, gaming, participating in different activities, or even working the same job. But as you start to work on self-improvement, you start to question whether these people are truly your friends. This video is not for those who have already improved their friendship circle, but if you're questioning whether the people you spend time with are truly good friends, this video is for you. The truth is, just because you partake in activities together or have a shared interest, doesn't mean they're a true friend. I'll give you real examples and help you identify the signs of a false friend. So if you're ready to take a closer look at your friendships and improve your circle, keep watching. Sign 1. They betray your trust. Trust is the foundation of every lasting friendship. If your friend consistently betrays your trust, it can leave you feeling embarrassed, angry, or even disappointed. It's important to remember that you deserve to have people in your life who you can trust and rely on. For example, imagine you're working on a project with a friend and they take credit for all of your hard work. Or imagine you tell a friend a secret and they use it against you. These are examples of betraying trust. It's important to recognize that these situations and people might not be worth your time and energy. It's important to surround yourself with people who you can trust and who will support you. Sign 2. Low exchange of value. Listen up, brothers. It's important to remember that friendships should be mutually beneficial. When you find yourself constantly giving and not receiving, it's a sign that something is off balance. It's time to take a step back and evaluate the situation. It's possible that you've got a friend who's taking advantage of you. For example, imagine you've got a buddy who always wants to hang out and do things, but when it comes time for you to ask for a favor, they're always too busy. Or imagine you've got a friend who's always asking to borrow money but never pays it back. These are examples of low exchange of value. It's important to recognize that these types of friendships are not healthy, and it's important to surround yourself with people who truly care about you and show interest in your life. Real friends will give as much as they take, and they'll make you feel good about yourself. Don't waste your time on people who only think about themselves. Sign number 3. They disrespect your goals. It's crucial to have friends who support and respect your aspirations. Having friends who discourage, mock, or belittle your goals can be detrimental to your progress and self-esteem. Your friends should support your goals even if they have different opinions than yours. They should be there to guide and encourage you along the way. For instance, imagine you have a friend who always undermines your ideas and dreams, even though you have put in a lot of effort and hard work. Or imagine a friend who would rather hang out and party than support you in your pursuits. These are examples of how some friends can disrespect your goals. Recognize that these types of friends can hold you back from achieving what you want, and it's better to surround yourself with people who support your goals and encourage you to chase them. A true friend will uplift you and be a part of your journey. Sign 4. They have no principles. Brothers, having friends who share similar values and principles is a crucial aspect of any lasting friendship. You may have fun with someone, but if your core beliefs and values don't align, you will eventually hit a roadblock. It's important to evaluate if you would still be friends if you didn't share the same activities or habits. For example, imagine you have a friend who is always talking about how they want to live a healthy lifestyle and make positive changes in their life, but they don't actually follow through on their words. They're always making excuses for their unhealthy habits, and they don't actually put in the effort to make a change. Or imagine you have a friend who is always talking about how they want to be more spiritual, but they don't actually put in the effort to practice or learn more about spirituality. They just talk about it, but they never actually do anything about it. These are examples of friends who do not have similar principles as you. In situations like these, it's important to recognize that these types of friends may not be good for your personal growth, and it's better to surround yourself with people who share similar values and beliefs. It's easy to get caught up in the thrill of having friends who share the same hobbies or interests, but it's important to remember that it's not just about what you do together. It's about the values and principles that guide your actions. A true friend will inspire and uplift you, and will be on the same wavelength as you. They'll support and encourage you in your endeavors, and they'll be there to guide you when you need it. Think about the people you call friends. Are they truly aligned with your values and principles? Are they good for your personal growth? Are they inspiring and uplifting? If not, it may be time to reevaluate those friendships. You deserve to surround yourself with people who share similar values and principles as you. You deserve to have friends who will support and encourage you in your endeavors, and who will be there to guide you when you need it. Sign 5. You are not happy around them. Brothers, we've all been there. You have a friend that you've known for a long time and you hang out with them often. But every time you hang out with them, you leave feeling drained and stressed. You find yourself not wanting to answer their calls or make plans with them. This is a clear indication that this friendship is not healthy for you. It's important to pay attention to how we feel when we're around certain people. Our gut feeling is usually right. Surround yourself with people who uplift you and make you feel good. Brothers, don't be afraid to distance yourself from people who make you feel drained and stressed. It's not worth it to sacrifice your own well-being for a friendship that's not healthy. Remember, the right friend will build you up, while the wrong friends will tear you down. And it's important to remember that it's possible to distance yourself from someone in a nice manner and not hurt them. You can simply communicate your feelings and let them know that you need to take some time for yourself. And if the friendship is meant to be, it will survive and grow stronger from this. Brothers, it's important to remember that true friendship is not something that is given, it's something that is earned. Analyze your friendships and surround yourself with people who uplift you and make you a better person. Be the kind of friend you would want to have in your life, one who listens, supports, respects, and cares. Remember, being a good friend is not just about being there for the good times, but also being there for the tough times. If this video helped you in any way, please hit the subscribe button and join our community of like-minded individuals on the journey of self-improvement and building true friendships. Thank you for watching.